In today's video, I will show you how to fix Touchpad not working on Windows 11. With no further ado, let's jump in and get started. The first thing you want to do if your touchpad is not working is to connect an external USB mouse to troubleshoot the issue. After that, check to make sure that the touchpad is enabled. It might have been accidentally disabled. To do that, click the Start button, then click on Settings. From the Settings window, click Bluetooth and Devices in the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Touchpad. Ensure that the touchpad toggle is turned on. If the toggle was off, just flip it back on, and that should solve the problem. If that's not the problem, then you might have to update or reinstall touchpad drivers. To do that, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Here we're going to look out for two things: human interface devices, mice, and other pointing devices. First, let's expand the human interface devices. To create a touchpad, this is my touchpad. You want to right-click that and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Now we see that the best driver for the device is already installed. Expand mouse and other pointing devices. Right-click the input device and update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Click Close. The next thing we're going to do is to uninstall the touchpad drivers. So right-click the touchpad and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. The touchpad drivers is now uninstalled. Click the Action tab. Select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will attempt to reinstall the touchpad drivers. Here is a touchpad driver we just uninstalled. If this worked for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.